spoke to you about your explant recently on Instagram as well.
Oh, it's very exciting.
No, babe, I'm so proud of you because I have an explant too. This is Ed, he's my videographer.
Hi,
and I work for Press Pass LA.
Awesome.
So thank you. You ready, Ed? Alyssa, thank you for bringing attention, I guess, to a women's taboo subject that we're supposed to be silenced about, right?
I mean, I don't understand the silence at all, but I will say that, women make up almost half the population globally, and the fact that perimenopause and menopause takes 10 years, it takes a decade to go through, and we still don't talk about it. Like, literally, it's a decade of our lives, and we've had to be very hush-hush about it.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited about this docu-series, and I'm hopeful that it will give women even just the vocabulary to be able to talk about it, because we don't really even have that.
It's more than just the big H word, the hormones, right? It's about, the isolation that you feel when you're suffering.
For sure, and I think also people, like the hormone part, is medical, and it's definitely happening, but there's also like this cultural power shift within our bodies that has made such a huge difference in my life. Like, it really is, for me anyway, before perimenopause and menopause, my hormones fluctuated every month, right? And now that it's stable and I'm on hormone replacement therapy, we're able to sort of control the ups and downs, which really gives you a sense of power. And
it's such a clever movie. I mean, docuseries rather. I can't believe you came up. Everyone knows someone and everyone's going through it.
I'm telling you, all the projects that I've done in my life, this is the one that all my friends called and were like, oh, we're so excited, we can't wait to see it, I'm going to make my husband watch it, like the whole thing.
I'm also quite, interested. We've got a huge explant community. I've created a book, Treasured Chest. Everybody's explanting. You recently went public. How did that feel to go public with that? Because the story was layered, really. Another women's health issue.
I mean, I feel great. And I don't know if it's psychosomatic. I don't know. And I every woman has to go through their own sort of journey with their breasts, and it is a journey. But I feel better than I have in a really long time since getting those implants removed.
I feel like every explantee does say that.
Yes. Yeah. The heel is real, right, they say?
I just think you're removing the inflammatory driver.
Yes. And I've seen a difference in my skin, in my inflammation, all of it.
You look amazing, really.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, so do you.
So nice to see you, and thank you for the work you're doing.
Of course, thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.
I'll just get a photo, if that's all right. Oh, yeah, you look amazing.
Thank you.
You are glowing anyway. Thanks, Ed. Thanks.
Thanks, Ed.
Congratulations.